I will be doing as much as I can in my power to ensure as much of my content as possible, future content and whatnot, and loads of my legal explanations, etc., are available for those of all the different age groups because it is vitally important that the public are educated in the law and that public and everyone of every age understands what the law is, why it's that way, and how it's actually interpreted in practice. And so, if YouTube is to be banned, like I think it's going to be from what I've seen already, then I will do all I can to make sure my content is visible to as many people of as wide of an age group as possible. And I will create dedicated content for those individuals if it comes to it, because this is important stuff and I care deeply about public legal education.